What's up, everybody? Welcome back to my channel. So today's video is going to be an apartment tour. This is my first apartment on my own, my first apartment as an adult, I guess. And I'm very proud of what I've accomplished here in this living space. And yeah, I take decorating very seriously. I do have like a little side business where I decorate and organize living spaces just to help people, because something that I have noticed is that when I live in a clean home versus a dirty home, I guess, I'm much more productive in the clean home, and I've read that a lot of other people feel the same. So I try to always have a clean home. I clean literally every day, and that's not to be like, oh, you should clean every day, but the first thing I do when I wake up, if I have enough time before I go to work, I will make sure that all the dishes are clean. You can hear the dishwasher running right now because I just ran the dishwasher. But I don't only use the dishwasher, I do hand wash dishes as well. I make sure that my oil diffuser is going because I like to always have scents in my house just to allow me to feel whatever scent I'm putting in. So, you know, whether it's calm or energetic or relaxed or, you know, whatever. I always try to make sure, so my boyfriend and I live together. We do like to lay on this couch a lot, so my biggest thing is always making sure that these pillows are in each corner of the couch, making sure that our blankets are put away in the blanket corner, and just general tidying up. We have 5 cats living in this house with us, so it's definitely very easy to just go behind one of them and have to clean up an entire mess that they just put in front of me. So those are always like my top things, like clean up after the cats, make the bed, make sure that, you know, everything is where it's supposed to be, because then I can feel more productive, I can feel more comfortable in my living space and get more accomplished, be more productive. And not only that, but also be more creative. You have more creativity flowing through you when you feel comfortable. And for me personally, I just feel more comfortable when I'm living in an organized and cohesive space. With that being said, I do live in a 2-bedroom, 2-bathroom apartment. I live on the 3rd floor of an apartment building in an apartment complex that has many buildings. And yeah, I think that's it. So a quick disclaimer, I do live with my boyfriend, and I'm 19 and he's a little bit older, and he did come with some of the furniture pieces that we have, and I'll kind of point those out as we go. We do work very hard for everything that we have. I make a good amount of money in my job. I work 2 jobs, and I do make a lot, not a lot, but I do make enough to support myself and him. Well, he has a job too, but basically we make the money to support our lifestyle. We don't have to beg for anything, we don't have to ask for anything. We do have all of our bills paid, and we do have a lot of bills, but we are financially stable, so that's why there is like a lot. Anyone who knows me or follows me on Instagram knows that I claim that I am a minimalist, and if you watch this whole video, you will see that this apartment is very not minimalist, and that is because my boyfriend, he is the type of person that finds value in a lot of material things. He holds sentimental value to a lot of material things, so most of the material possessions in this apartment are his, and we'll kind of go through that when we get there, but I will point out like the pieces that I have and things like that. So yeah, I'm really excited to show you this apartment, mainly just for the decorating and organizational aspect of it all. But yeah, let's jump right into this tour. All right. So first things first, you're obviously going to see a couple of cats in this video. I do live with 5. So this is my front door. Right above the front door, I just have a crucifix, just because. And if you see that little thing right there, that holds a garland. You have to go to my Instagram to check out what the front of my door looks like. So we have obviously just a little cat toy. And then this is the dining area. So these are my boyfriend's guitars, and these are, what's hanging between them are some personalized drumsticks that I bought him for his birthday. And then on either side he has a movie, I think, and a record that he wanted to frame. We have his stuff over here. This is what he likes to collect. This is a couple record players and stuff, and then all of his personal records, which I'm not even gonna pretend like my house is clean or perfect. The cats literally just destroyed that, and I'm not gonna put it away right now. So there's that. This tabletop I painted myself. It is a little dirty. Like I said, I'm not gonna try and pretend like everything is perfect and all that. I did paint this myself, so you can kind of see it's not perfect. It was checkered underneath, but then I just kind of went ahead and painted it the color scheme of our living room. So this is, again, some more of his stuff. He has some, we both have some board games, and then that's my Polaroid right there. Those are some 8-tracks, some old 8-tracks, and an 8-track player. Just some decor. And then this is our kitchen. All the appliances came with the apartment. I'm just gonna turn the light on. So we've got a full view. And then that's the oil diffuser that I was talking about. This is our cat feeding area. We have 2 food bowls and a water bowl. And then on the other side we have this little stand that you saw. If you look on my Instagram, you've seen it on my Instagram. We just have a Himalayan salt lamp, and then a amethyst crystal, and then some little cactuses, and just some random stuff in that little tray. And then go over, this is our love you more little pictures, and our couch. I especially like this couch because it just comes with 1 cushion, so you don't really have to worry about getting anything lost. Our coffee table with some little, that little container under the coffee table stores like our cat toys and stuff. And then over here is our blanket cube, where we just keep all of the bulk of our blankets that we use for the couch. This door leads to our outside patio. You can kind of see out there a little. We've got our bookshelf, which I color coded just to kind of make it look more organized, I guess, with some documents that I need to go through, and then just some random stuff up there. Curtains. And then, disclaimer, I was watching Blackish right before filming this video. So we have the entertainment center that I recently, I bought literally a week before moving into this apartment. And then that's a VR set that is my boyfriend's, and we just kind of have that. And then this is our huge mirror. If you follow me on Instagram, you know that this is pretty much where I take the bulk of my pictures. I got this for $40 at Walmart, which I think is amazing. And then this is our hallway leading down. So this right here is our coat closet. I'm not really going to show you because there's nothing important in there. This is our second bedroom. It's pretty empty. I think I want to get a couch or a day bed for this half of the room. We just have some signs, tapestry, our printer, and then this is my main office and filming area. So anytime that I need to film, I'll come in here usually. Anytime that I need to write anything down or document anything, I usually come in here. And then this is the biggest closet in the house. This is my closet. And I am currently going through all of my clothes to get rid of some because most of these clothes in here are new, and anytime I buy new clothes, I get rid of some old clothes. So that's just why there's a lot of clothes in there. But also clothes are the one thing that I like to keep. Right outside of the second bedroom is just the furnace room. Going along, this room is just our second bathroom, but it's really empty and boring, so yeah. And then this is the bedroom. So we have a big cat tree for all of our cats to chill on. Our bed, which, like I said, I'm not gonna pretend like anything is perfect. It's not perfectly made or anything like that. I just kind of throw the comforter on. The tapestry. This and this are Matt's closets. That's my boyfriend's name. And then we have our dresser, and then this is our laundry bag. Obviously, when it gets full, it kind of covers the majority of that empty space right there. And then turning, we have an ottoman, like bench, with just some plants on either side that connect with our TV. And then just over here, just pretty boring. I just have some jewelry, some sunglasses, some things like that, random things that I've put up here. And then walking over here, we have our master bath, which is actually smaller than the second bath. I'm looking to replace this right now. I moved it from on the shower head because I want to get rid of it, so don't mind that. And that, like, so for example, that's something that I have to clean up multiple times a day because that's supposed to be right here in front of the toilet, but the cats like playing with it, so it's always in different places. So that is it for this video. I really hope that you enjoyed this video. If you did, please make sure to give it a big thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe.